As we start to shift into the new year, what are some key insights that could help influence your homeownership journey? Hi, I'm Kurt Clements with eXp Realty in the far west suburbs of Chicago. Whether you are contemplating buying your first home, selling your property, or purchasing a replacement property, understanding what to expect in the housing market is crucial when making these life-changing decisions. Mortgage rates. We are finally starting to see a decrease in rates. Although the reductions have been slight, it has been a breath of fresh air from the last 2 years of crippling high rates. Experts predict we should continue to see a gradual decline in mortgage rates next year due to the easing of inflation, with predictions that lowered mortgage rates could encourage buyers on the fence to enter the marketplace. Home sales. We should also see home sales rise with more homes expected to sell. This is partially due to the uptick in both the supply of homes on the market and the increase in buyer demand. Fannie Mae predicts that national home sales will reach about 5.4 million. Price appreciation. Home prices should moderately appreciate. According to most financial experts, the national home price growth should rise to about 3.2%. So in summary, while we can't predict what will happen in 2025, this is an excellent place to start. Things will change, possibly even go sideways, but that's okay. We'll figure it out together. So if you're curious about your next move, reach out. We'll lay out all your options so you can make a confident decision that's best for you and your family. Thanks again for watching, and as always, we're here to help, and we'll talk with you soon.